can make you a lot of money and possibly make you rich in this very bull market. And some people think the bull market is over, it's not going to happen again. I'm going to show you something very important on the pie chart in this very video. So pie price prediction, and I'm going to show you the exact point you should enter again. If you are on the Telegram channel right here, I posted this very screenshot yesterday. As you can see, this was on the 27th of February yesterday, and this was around 3:53 p.m. my local time. And I said, Pi USDT, expect market to retrace soon. Consider collecting profits if you entered after the bullish breakout, as mentioned in my immediate last Pi video on YouTube. And I made mention of the fact that Pi is going to move upward after this very breakout, and exact same thing happened, guys. Pi broke out, and my target was at this very point of $2.50, that is 2.50 cents. Exact same point, the market get there and begin to shake off, and market move a little bit to this very point of 2.98, okay, about $3 per Pi, and market begin to come back down. So I saw this very signal yesterday, and I dropped this very information on this very Telegram channel, and for collection of profit, and that market is going to retrace. Exact same thing we are seeing right now, guys. So if you collected profit, congratulations. And if you've not joined this Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment, join right now. It is completely free so that you receive updates like this and many more. So Pi can make you a lot of money in this variable market and possibly make you rich. I'm going to show you why. So in that very trade we took in our last position, that was a long position after this very breakout right here. Obviously, stop loss below this very level of support, and you look for a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. So if you take this very trade, congratulations, because if you put $1,000 here or a $500, depending on your portfolio, then that means you should make a significant money from this very move upward. But another opportunity is about to unfold itself again on the pie chart, and I'm going to show you the exact position. So this trade was a great trade that we took right here. So congratulations if you do that. And right now market is retracing. So this retracement is very, very important. Markets have to retrace, and after retracement, we are going to enter again for the next move all the way to the upside. So retracement is important, but the most important level that you need to pay attention to on this price chart is this very area where the market break out from. So this level of breakout is very, very important. Watch this level, because if market come here, I will monitor the chart and give you an entry on this very channel, this Telegram channel. So join right now. It is completely free. And from this very point, I believe market is still come down. And if you draw a trend line from this very area to this very point, you discover that market is at this trend line position, okay? And this is a support trend line. So possibly we're going to see the market bounce off, but a breakout of this trend line is going to send the market into this point of important support. That is, if market break out on this trend line, expect the market to move down into this area, and then I will watch the market for a possible buy opportunity for the market to move upward for another massive return, because that is very important. And you don't want to miss out on that very position, because I believe it's going to definitely come. So market drop back down right here. So expect a little bounce off from this very point. This is what I'm expecting, and it's my personal opinion. You may have something contrary to this, and that is very okay. So market is going to bounce off from what I'm seeing on the price action. And if we see a breakout, which is what I am expecting eagerly, market is going to come down to this very point, and I'm going to pay attention to giving you guys a position, and I'm going to take that position as well all the way to the upside for a buy. And if market did not break here, I will not take the trade. That is, if we begin to see market move upward, I'm not going to take the trade. I will relax for market to come back down again for a retest. And if I see a retest, I will consider taking a trade. even though the market did not come all the way to this very point of important support. This is how you trade this very price action right now. And you may have other strategy that can as well play out perfectly that you can employ on this very price chart. So one thing that is very important here on this price action is that market is going to come back down. And if you take a buy position, that is, if market come back down here, and let's say we enter a buy position at this very point, and we put our stop loss below this level of support, and we put our target right here. This is about 1 to 4 risk reward ratio right at this very point, and this is what I am expecting, because when you are trading, you look for a target or a position that will give you the highest return with the lowest risk, because trading itself is already risky, so you don't want to take another high risk in a very high risk environment. So you take a very low risk in the high risk environment for a maximum return on anything you put down as your risks on this very trade. So the next trade is going to come right in, and I'm going to alert you guys when this trade have a perfect setup, and the entry trigger will be delivered right here on this very Telegram channel, because it's going to be very apt and direct, and it's going to be very prompt as well, because I will not drop a video for this on YouTube. So this is very important, guys. Wait for market to come back down, because I believe market is going to come back down. And those of you that are asking whether the bull markets have ended, are we still going to see massive move in the market? Personally, I believe the bull market have not even started. Okay, so we have enough time for Bitcoin to correct and shake off a lot of person out of the market, and then we're going to see move come into the market very, very soon. So I'm still expecting the bull market to start very soon. All the move we are seeing in the market right now is just a shaking, okay, and market is going to still move all the way to the upside. One important thing that is very important here that point to the fact that Bitcoin is still going to move upward is that on-chain data cannot be defied, and it has happened in previous bull markets. On-chain data is pointing to the fact that the bull market has not happened yet, and we are approaching that aggressive move very, very soon. So don't be worried much about what is happening on the Bitcoin price chart and other altcoins. Market is going to definitely recover. And if you come to coin market cap right here, you discover that the price of Pi is 2.17 and the market capitalization of Pi is 17 billion, with the total supply of 10.28 billion Pi is increasing, and the max supply is 100 billion, while the self-reporting circulating supply, which is not verified, is 6.68 billion Pi. So more is coming into circulation, as you can see right here, while the total supply is also increasing. So if more is coming to circulation with this kind of billion supply, that is why I also believe that Pi is not going to do that much in the heat of the bull market. So it is possible you trade it if you are familiar with technical analysis. That will be one of the best things you can do on Pi. And if you want to hold Pi, you can possibly hold it, especially if you bought from here. And when market come back down to this very area, possibly you can consider it for a buy as well and hold for maybe $3, $5, as the case may be, for one Pi, and price is going to move upward. So considering buying Pi after this very retracement will be the nice idea to make some good money, or can possibly make you rich depending on what you have in your portfolio. And this is super important, and you consider taking this position. So this is a very important takeoff on the Pi token. And if you look at the market, you can buy Pi right now if you want to consider it for a buy, or you want to consider taking this position when that very setup will be ready. Then look into OKX, BitGet, Mexi, Gate.io, and all of these exchanges have Pi right there. And you can see the trading volume is very, very significant as well. But right now, markets have to correct, because if you look at the price chart, market has been moving all the way to the upside after this very little correction after listing. Market move upward, we see consolidation, market move upward, so market should retrace, which is very, very necessary. So this is a very important price action on Pi right now, and this very point is one of the important area of support that we need to pay attention to, and also this very area of support as well. I believe Pi is going to get to $5, $10 in the heat of the bull market. My max is $10 for now. I've not seen any further on-chain data that will make me shift that very $10 mark up to $15 or $20, which is also very possible in the market. So these are the things you should pay attention to right now. Now, one of the things you can do to make the best out of Pi if you want to hold for long term is for you to wait for the market to come back down a little bit. Remember, the crypto market is right down right now, and if Pi continue this movement all the way to this very area or possibly below this, then it will be a good buy for you because market is going to recover very soon and the entire crypto sentiment is going to change. And when that happens, market is going to move also on Pi all the way to the upside, providing you that opportunity to buy low at this very point and make high return when market get to $5 or $10 as the case may be per Pi. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. Thanks for your support.